This video will tackle some common debates about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and main category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location is by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that have been like this. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is first class.